Hi there, welcome to Xcode Development, and this is Balaji. In this video, we will see how to create, work and run shift code in the Xcode Playground. Xcode is an app development tool that's provided by Apple, and the Playground is not a project, it's a lightweight file and easy-runnable platform for Shift. Here we can see the output for each line. Okay, let's see how it works. Click on the Xcode. It will show you the Welcome to Xcode pop-up. I am using Xcode 13.3. It shows here. Below that, we can see some options. But it's not for us now. We will discuss this while working on a project. Now we need only Playground. So in the Xcode menu bar, go to File, New, and select Playground. I am creating this playground for the initial stage of learning. So select blank and click Create. Give a name and choose the location for the file. I am typing the file name as ABCD and selecting the location as desktop. Once you have done this, click Create. Wow! You have created your first file in Xcode Playground. It's great. Now you can play around this playground using Shift. And you are eligible to become Shift code developer. Congrats. Initially it looked like this. Okay, we will have a small piece of code here to show how to run this. I am declaring a bool variable and adding an if statement. Fine. On the left hand side of each line, we can see this run button. If you click the run button at third line, it will run the code from 1 to 3. And on the right hand side, in this area, you can see the instant output. And the print logs will be in the bottom console area. So until which line do you want to run, click the run button. These are the basic knowledge you need to start working with Xcode Playground. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.